Now for exercise this morning, we shall walk for 40 minutes. I brought along two of my exercise buddies. One is Putte. Putte is always very excited when we go for a walk. He's almost like a child, jumping up and down. And then also I took today, for the first time, I took along Vicky. The big problem is whenever I take more than one dog, I don't know if they psych each other up or what, but yeah, then they don't come home with me. They take their own path and they run away. But hopefully not today. We have about half an hour to go. Oh, as you can see, the road is a little bit inaccessible here. But yeah, we'll just make our way through the mud. Yeah. We are halfway into our walk, so we're gonna turn around here and go back home for the second half. This is actually the critical time, the time just before I arrive home. That's usually when they suddenly disappear, and I might not see them for days and sometimes never again. Both dogs back in, so thank goodness for that.